right. Hi, everyone. Welcome to Food in a Flash. My name is Coach Mariah. So today's topic is mangoes. So some information about mangoes. Mangoes are an orange, yellow, flesh-colored fruit. They can be found in stores year-round. There are actually 6 different types of mangoes, and each type is available throughout different times of the year. And between those 6 different types, they range in a variety of bitterness or more sweet. So you can look into that on mangoes.org if you're interested. As far as why you should eat mangoes, 1 serving of mangoes is about 3/4 of a cup, and that is only 70 calories. So it's really low in calories. They are fat-free, sodium-free, cholesterol-free, and then they aid in digestion. There are 19 grams of total carbohydrates in a mango, but 2 grams in that contain fiber. So 2 whole grams are just fiber. So they're very high in fiber, aiding the digestion. And then as far as antioxidants, they are packed with antioxidants, and they also help strengthen the immune system. So as far as nutrition goes, they are very high in antioxidants, like I said, but that's important because it helps protect the body's cells from damage against free radicals such as cancer. It also aids in reducing muscle inflammation, soreness, and fatigue. With the mangoes being so high in fiber, it aids in digestion and helps prevent constipation. But those who may have irritable bowel syndrome or stomach issues, just be on the watch out not to overdo it because it may cause some upset stomach because of the high fiber content. So mangoes, they help boost the immune system, which is great for fighting off germs and infection. And then they're also high in copper. And that is really important because it helps us absorb iron better. So it aids in preventing anemia. And then as far as how to select a mango or how to store them, so when you're at a store and you're trying to pick out the best option, it's going to be similar to an avocado. You're going to squeeze the outside. If it's too firm, you'll know it's not quite ripe. You want a little bit of a give. That way you'll know that it's ready or going to be ripe enough to eat soon. Otherwise, if you buy unripe, you can just let it sit longer. As far as storage, you can go ahead and store ripe mangoes in the refrigerator. They will last up to 5 days if they're uncut, or 2 to 3 days if they're cut or pureed. And then to prepare them or cut them, first thing you're going to do is rinse it. You're going to take the stem and face it down. The stem's kind of off to the center a little bit. And there's actually in the middle, there's a long, skinny seed. So you're going to want to cut about 1/4 inch from the center on one side and then 1/4 inch from the center on the other side to make 2 cheeks. The cheeks are what we call the fleshy part of the fruit. And then you'll go ahead and with those cheeks, you'll cut horizontal and vertical lines, making like a checkerboard pattern. And you can scoop that out with a spoon, knife, whatever you prefer. That's probably going to be the easiest way to cut them and prepare them. As far as versatility, there are many ways to use mangoes. You can go ahead and eat them raw. You could add them to a salad. You could add them to a kebab. They're great for meat marinades because of the enzymes that they contain. They help break down the meat. And then also you could grill or saute them. So that would be another awesome option. As you can see in the chat, I did post 2 separate recipes. Reason for that is one is more of a vegetarian option. So the first one is a tomato, chive, and mango salsa. It's actually really easy to prepare. All you have to do is gather the ingredients, chop it up, and you can serve it with chips on a hamburger. You could do it with grilled meats, vegetables, and then the other one that I chose is a mango mustard glazed ham. So with that, you could really put the glaze on any type of meat or protein and it would taste incredible. Like I said, those enzymes in there help break that down, but it's going to be really flavorful and something special that you could try for the holidays. So if you have any questions, let me know in the chat. But other than that, thanks for attending Food in a Flash and have a great rest of your day.